Is Newton crypto free? Intro. Hook. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to invest in crypto without paying hefty fees? Many platforms charge a significant percentage of your investment, eating into your potential returns. Today, we're diving deep into Newton, a popular crypto exchange. Is Newton crypto free? Let's find out. Context. Before we get into the specifics, let's understand why fees matter in crypto investing. Unlike traditional stocks and bonds, crypto markets are highly volatile. Even small fees can significantly impact your overall profits. Newton's fee structure. Trading fees. One of the most common fees associated with crypto exchanges is the trading fee. This is the percentage charged on every buy or sell order. Newton does charge a trading fee, but it's relatively low compared to some of its competitors. Deposit and withdrawal fees. Another factor to consider is the fees associated with depositing and withdrawing funds. While Newton doesn't charge fees for deposits, there might be network fees imposed by the blockchain you're using. For withdrawals, Newton charges a flat fee, which can vary depending on the cryptocurrency. Hidden fees. Be on the lookout for hidden fees. Some exchanges might charge fees for features like inactivity, customer support, or specific trading strategies. It's essential to read the terms and conditions carefully to avoid any surprises. Newton's free features. Educational resources. Newton offers a range of educational resources, including articles, videos, and webinars. These resources can help you learn about cryptocurrencies and make informed investment decisions. Mobile app. The Newton mobile app is user-friendly and offers a seamless trading experience. You can buy, sell, and manage your crypto portfolio on the go without paying any additional fees. Customer support. Newton provides customer support to help you with any questions or issues you may encounter. While they might not offer 24/7 live chat support, their response times are generally reasonable. Is Newton crypto free? The verdict. No, Newton is not entirely crypto-free. While it offers competitive trading fees and free educational resources, there are fees associated with withdrawals and potential network fees. However, Newton's overall fee structure is reasonable, especially when compared to some other exchanges. If you're looking for a reliable platform with a focus on user experience and education, Newton might be a good choice. Conclusion. Summary. In conclusion, Newton is not a completely fee-free crypto exchange. However, its trading fees are competitive, and it offers a range of free features to enhance your investment experience. Call to action. If you're considering investing in crypto and want to explore Newton, I encourage you to visit their website and learn more about their services. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.